What's up, you guys? It's Blaze, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the top 5 things you should definitely not do if you are either into Twitch streaming or you're going to want to be into Twitch streaming. These are 5 things I recommend you should not do. And what I'm going to be doing is I just ripped something. I'm going to be reading them off my iPad because I wrote them down. It's not going to be word for word, but it's going to be pretty much close to it. But other than that, if you guys would, I'd really appreciate if you leave a like of this video. Helps out in the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe and check that notification bell to know when my next video is live. I try to release videos every now and then when I can. I haven't got a strict schedule because I've been so busy with all this other stuff. And I also stream on Twitch, which is here, and it should be in the link below. And that is www.twitch.tv/BlazeJump, BLAZEJUMP. And I stream Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, so 4 days at 10 p.m. Australian Central Standard Time, so ACST. And no, if you can join there and follow me, it'd be really cool. I'm lonely. No, so currently I've been streaming, I think, like 1 or 2 years. I never had the big gap, but it's either 1 or 2 years. I have to check. And yes, I'm not a full-time streamer. I don't make money. I never ever said I do. But I know throughout the 2 years or whatever, these are 5 things you should definitely not do because they don't really help. You think they're helping, but in the reality, they're not. It's like you bought the new iPhone 11, but it does the exact same thing as your iPhone 10. And you're like, I should have just kept my iPhone 10. Same concept. Alright, so number 1 is definitely you should not do lurk for lurk. Reason being is because this just creates a fake audience as well as a fake follower status if you don't follow for follow as well as lurk for lurk. Because the thing is, yes, you're trying to help each other out, you're trying to help each other grow, but the thing is, they're not really real. They're kind of in it for themselves in the end of the race, but at the start it looks like, oh, we're trying to help out each other, la da da. But at the end it's like, no, I'm just trying to like get you to watch me so I can boost higher in the Twitch atmosphere and hopefully more people will come around. And that's the same as the follow for follow situation, right? Because if you follow someone and they follow you back, you're like, oh man, I gained a follower, but that follower isn't there. You know what I mean? It's like I've got maybe 300 followers maybe, but no one watches me. Literally, I've been streaming for past, what day is today? Saturday. I've been streaming for past 2 weeks, 3 times that I said before, Friday to Monday. Not a single person has come into my stream. Not one. Not even a like 1 minute lurk or anything. No one's even said hello to me. And I know I've got these followers and stuff and these Discord channels where you can lurk, but I don't like using them because I know it's fake. I used to use them in the past. I thought it was great. It made me feel like really happy that there was like 10 fake people into my channel and like saying like, oh, look for like follow, etc. all that sort of stuff. But in the end, it didn't really benefit me. It was like it's pretty much like a short shot of dopamine. Like buying chocolate. You feel great when you buy it and you eat it, but then after, you just don't feel that great about having it. It's pretty much the same thing when you do lurk for lurk or follow for follow. So, concept of that, just don't do it. It doesn't benefit you. You need to like get real people, and the other steps I'll show you how to do that. So stay tuned. But just don't do it. It's a fake audience. People will know. Companies will know. And if you're on a Discord channel and that Discord channel is like public, if a company goes on that Discord channel, which they can see that you have fake engagement. And that's going to hurt your reputation in the long run. Now, number 2 is don't stream all the time. And by all the time, I mean like 5, 6, 7 days of a week. In reality, I should be just doing 3 days or even 2 days. But I probably should not be doing 4. I just find 4 to be a good number for me, and I can fit it in time with all my other stuff I have to do. But reason I say don't stream all the time is because you're not growing if you have like 10 or less people in your chat, which if you're watching this you probably have maybe no people. It's okay though. It's like I'm not bashing you for it. I've got 0 people. I'm a YouTuber. I do multiple YouTube things. I have a social media account. I have everything. Yes, I don't put much effort in growing it, which I really should. That's my fault. But don't be embarrassed of having no people in your Twitch channel. It happens. It's happening to me right now. I streamed today, 2.5 hours, not a single person popped in. It happens, okay? But through Twitch, since how it's all set up and stuff, it's not an easy way to find new streamers, right? If you have a bottom of a list and you're streaming some sort of game and it's got like 40 people playing it or watching it or streaming or whatever, you're going to be at the very bottom of that list. People are not going to be bothered to like even scroll down half of that amount and click on you. Because like they just want to get to the top, they want to click on the most viewed person because it's easier, it's more convenient. And plus, if there's other people in that chat, they want to be a part of that chat. If there's no one in your chat, you're probably not gonna get that person in because, like, yes, some circumstances, new people come in, you're a new streamer, they talk to you, that's fine. But genuinely, people just click on the top people because there's already people in there, right? So if you're streaming 5, 6, 7 days a week, try and cut that back to maybe 3 or 4, even 2. 2's not bad. You got weekends, I'm sure. Number 3 is don't do networking. You hear all the time streamers and YouTubers and like all these social media people will be like, oh, you need to network with all these people. Networking is really not important as you think. It comes down to you because they believe it's a very important key factor. Yes, it's a bit important, but it shouldn't be your number 1 priority on Twitch. Because just because you network with people, like for example, I remember one girl, I was watching her, this wasn't networking, but I'm just saying this to make a point. She was playing Sekiro, right? And Ninja hosted her with like 30, 40,000 people watching. And now I believe she's only down to like a couple hundred people watching maybe. And by all means, good for her. Definitely good for her. I'm just saying from a statistical point of view, not everyone stays, right? And just because you network with like big streamers or other small streamers, it doesn't mean they'll always stick around to watch you. It doesn't always mean that. It's a possibility, but just don't make it your number 1 priority. So what you should do is you should use other platforms to grow your audience, like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, even if it's getting outdated. Let's see, TikTok, even LinkedIn, right? You can use all of those. Number 4 is don't stream saturated games. By saturated games, I mean games like Fortnite, League, Counter-Strike, all those like big top 5, top 10 games. Reason being is because if you're a very small streamer and you only got like, let's say 20, 30 people in your chat, you're competing against people with thousands, if not like tens of thousands, when you got thousands, when you got hundreds. And you probably have well over like 300 people streaming that game. You're going to be at the very bottom of the list, like I said before, and it's going to be very hard for people to find you. So instead of playing saturated games, what you should do is you should play a less saturated game. So for example, I like Kingdom Hearts, right? Kingdom Hearts is a fun game for me. It's chillaxing. It's not very, I don't got to process things like COD or whatever. And I can just play it and chill out. And on Twitch, there's only like maybe a couple hundred people watching it here and there. On some days, it's a couple thousand because big speedrunners are playing or big streamers are playing it. And yeah, that's cool. That means you get more of a chance to be seen. But on average, it's only got like a handful of people, less than 100 maybe. And you can just play that game and people will definitely see you. And there's definitely people still searching for Kingdom Hearts because I still search it because I like watching people playing it, And I'm sure there's people that watch this that love Kingdom Hearts to death still, and you can use examples besides Kingdom Hearts, but that's just an example, like God of War, the new one or the old ones, Neo, Uncharted, Red Dead Redemption, Ghost Recon, anything like that. You can just go play them. Then that's gonna be better for you because people can actually see you streaming. Number 5 is stop ignoring your chat. Okay, if someone says hello in your chat, if I follow you, acknowledge it pretty much immediately. Reason being is I say this because I don't really interact in chat with big or small streamers. Reason being is because I'm really introverted. I like keeping to myself, and I'm just not a really chatty person unless it's my close friends or my family. I keep to myself. But the times I have said hello to a streamer in chat, a lot of the times, like, I'm waiting there for like 5 minutes just for a hello back, and you're the only one there, and it's like, please look at your chat. So when you're streaming, whether you're a big or a small streamer, I highly advise you to always keep an eye on the chat. Like, keep it in your peripheral vision, or put it somewhere on your screen where you know you can read it, or like every like a few seconds, just like glance over very quickly, because it's very easy to tell. You can see something pop up in your peripheral vision. Like, it's highlighted because their names are highlighted, like blue, green, red, whatever. And they say something like, hey, what's up? How are you? Whatever. Just acknowledge them and say hello back. Because the first hello you say to someone can, could mean for years of friendship. You guys could become like best buddies for all I know. And that's it. It's so simple. Just keep an eye on chat. Someone says hello, be courteous, say hello back to them. Don't ignore it. Even if like you're in a cutscene or whatever during some sort of like cinematic moment in a game or whatever, just like pop on your mic for like 2 seconds. Be like, "Yo, what's up, dude? I'll talk to you after the cutscene." And just so they at least acknowledge that you've seen them, and they probably feel great about that. They'll probably keep talking to you. But no, other than that, these are 5 things you should definitely not do on your Twitch or streaming platform, whichever one you use. But other than that, I hope you find any of these 5 helpful. If you did, remember to smash that like button, subscribe, press notifications to know when my next video is live. Also, can you please follow my socials? I got Instagram, I got Twitter, and I got Twitch, and they will be also in the description. But other than that, hope you have a really awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. This is Brandon, also known as Blade Jump. I will see you guys next time. Also, if you want to check out my other videos, they'll be in my channel, and I've got other channels that'll be linked below too. I got tech one, business one, and another actual gaming one instead of education like this one. Bye!